Today we're going to be making a hot chocolate mugs wreath with Dollar Tree mesh and some Dollar Tree accessories that are little flowers with clips on the back. I also have this hot cocoa and mugs sign that I got from Amazon. So we're just going to dive in here and get started. The first thing that we are going to be doing is we are going to cut our pipe cleaners into thirds. And so I'm just simply going to kind of roughly measure where the thirds is. And I'm going to cut my pipe cleaners into thirds. There you have it. I have all my pipe cleaners cut. Now I'm going to be using this red and white mesh to make my wreath. And again, I got this mesh at the Dollar Tree, so they're $1.25 a piece, and I'm going to use 5 of them. I had to supplement a little bit with some white that I had left over from another wreath. So I believe I do 12 in each section of my wreath. And there are 6 sections. So I'm going to cut these 6 inches long. I'm going to cut my mesh into 6-inch strips. And I know right there I cut it into 12-inch all of a sudden because I messed up. But then I got back on track and I cut it all in 6-inch strips. So I got to the end and it took me a minute to get it off of the roll what was left. So I guess since I used 5 of these and I used some leftover white that I had, I guess you could technically use 6 of the Dollar Tree mesh packages. Now I'm just simply rolling these into a roll, rolling them up together, and then crisscrossing them together. That's 1, 2, and then this is the third one. Take 3 to make each one of our curls, and that's 3. And we're going to take our pipe cleaner and put it around all 3. And once we close it up, and we're going to push our mesh the opposite direction and then twist about 3 times. And that's how we're going to make each one of our curls. And we're rolling up 1. Rolling up the second one, and we're going to crisscross it. And we're rolling up a third one. Putting our pipe cleaner around it. Pushing the mesh up the opposite direction and twisting it about 3 times. I'm going to attach them to the the frame, the wreath frame, and I'm going to attach one to the second rung and one to the third rung. So the two middle rungs, and I'm going to alternate back and forth between rungs on my metal shelf wreath. And there you have it. One section is complete, and you see how full it is. All right, I believe there's 10 in each section. There you have it. The wreath is all done and it's nice and full. Here's my sign that I got from Amazon. It said hot chocolate and mugs. Winter morning hugs. So I'm going to put a pipe cleaner through each one of the holes at the top. There's 2 holes. I'm going to put 2 pipe cleaners on here. I do that. Put my pipe cleaners on here. I'm going to attach it to the frame. Middle of my frame. I'm going to attach it to the frame at the bottom, the pipe cleaners, and secure them. The sign in the middle. Wreath, it's nice and full. I'm going to attach my little flowers with clips on the back. And I'm simply going to just clip those onto my mesh. Super easy. I got those at the Dollar Tree, so for 3 of them it was $1.25. And I believe this whole wreath was less than $15. So for under $15, you get a beautiful wreath. Much better than the ones you can buy cheap at the store. And some wreaths are like $85 for a wreath. All done with it. So pretty and colorful. And there it is on the wall. And with that, that's the end of the video.